Hi, my name is Jessica, and today I will present the taxonomy of the Caridean shrimp from the remote oceanic islands Trindade and Martim Vaz. This study was carried out by me, Joel Braga Mendonça, and Marcos Tavares, at the Museum of Zoology of University of São Paulo. This study is funded by ProTrindade CNPq. The remote oceanic islands Trindade and Martim Vaz Archipelago are placed in the southwestern Atlantic Ocean, located more than 1,000 kilometers away from the Brazilian coast and 4,000 kilometers from the African coast. Both are volcanic in origin, 49 kilometers apart from each other, called here as TMV. Between TMV and the Brazilian coast, we can find the Victoria Trindade Seamount chain, composed by 30 underwater mounts, being the TMV the youngest formation. The closest oceanic islands are Fernando de Noronha, followed by Rocas Atol, Ascension Island, Archipelago of São Pedro in São Paulo, and Santa Helena in the middle of the Atlantic. These remote islands are under the influence of Brazilian current that moves southward along the coast. Both there might be influence of the South Equatorial Current carrying water from the African coast in red. The coastlines of TMV are typically surrounded by rocky, mineral, and biogenic sand bottles, calcareous algae, beds, rhodolites, filamentous algae, and sponges and corals. So the current fauna of the islands is composed of migrants who began to arrive after its cooling. During a 10-year project coordinated by Marcos Tavares, 8 campaigns to Trindade and Martim Vaz archipelagos were conducted between 2012 and 2019, collecting a rich material of shallow water, mainly by scuba diving, represent a solid base for the first taxonomic assessment of shallow water of TMV. Recent studies carried out by the Carcinology Laboratory are trying to unravel the faunistic composition of the island. Groups such as lobsters, hermit crabs, porcellanids, callionycids, and brachyurian crabs, and other bentonic invertebrates were revealed that most of the taxonomic composition of TMV is shared with the Western Atlantic and by the American coast. Regarding the shrimp, the Alpheidae were already sampled by Anker and co-authors, and 14 species of Caridean non-alpheid shrimps were previously known from. In the present study, a total of 27 shrimps are reported from Trindade and Martim Vaz, being one dendrobranchiata, Penaeopsis serrata, recorded from the first time for the area, one Stenopodid, Stenopsis serrata, and 24 Caridean non-alpheid shrimp. 2 of the Caridean shrimp are new species belong to Thor and Lismata. They probably endemic to TMV. Considering the 27 shrimps reported in the present study, 93% of the shrimp are Western Atlantic in origin, corroborating the influence of American continent in the TMV faunistic composition. 25.9 of the study species are shared with Rocas Atol and Fernando de Noronha, but only 3 are present in both. Same 25.9 of these species are shared with Ascension Island and 22.2 with Santa Helena in the Central Atlantic. 23.54 of the species are found in both Atlantic slopes. Such observation lead us to infer that islands are acting as stepping stones between both continents. None of the species are shared only between TMV and Western Atlantic region, and 4 species are shared with Eastern and Indo-Western Pacific Ocean, being considered cosmopolitan. This faunistic inventory In addition to provide information about the taxonomic composition and colonization patterns of the island, we contribute with information for public conservation policies for TMV that have recently been enacted as Environmental Protection Area in Brazil. Thanks for watching.